Hello dear children, this is Anindita ma'am. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. Today I'll tell you a very interesting story. Have you seen this image of a caged bird? Does the bird look happy? No, it is sad. Look at the bird, how lonely it's feeling, sitting inside a cage without its friends and family. Birds are meant to fly and be with other birds in the sky. Nobody likes to be in a cage, isn't it? See, it's free now. And it's meeting its friends and family sitting on a branch of a tree. Oh yay! It's absolutely free now. See how it's flapping its wings and flying around in the sky? Similarly, long ago, the British people came to our country India to rule here. We Indians were just like caged birds, and the British people were very cruel. The British rulers were very powerful, so the Indians had no freedom during the British rule. Then all the freedom fighters of India, they fought, struggled and even sacrificed their lives in an effort to free India from British rule. One fine day on 15th August 1947, the British people left India and went back to their own country. From that day, India became a free country and all the Indians enjoyed freedom and they were so delighted and rejoiced. So every year on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day in India. There is the national flag hoisting ceremony everywhere. The school children participate in the cultural programs of their school and they also sing the national anthem. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. Stay happy and healthy and stay safe. Bye for now.